channel. It's a rainy day, but we're still out here working. We have some jobs on the list today. You're coming with us. This is a live premiere video, so make sure you leave a question or a comment or just say hi in chat. And throughout this video, we're going to ask you lots of questions. And the very first one is, how is the weather today where you're at? We are at our first job of the day, and it looks like the first part of the job is in the garage, and we could just back right up to it, which is awesome. And I was wondering, does it snow where you live? And if it does, how much does that slow down and impact your business?
So here's the first job of the day, and it's this stuff right here, plus a few things inside, and this stuff right here, about a half a load, I would say. So just like that, job is complete. And what would you guys charge for that job right there? And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
Well, it rained last night and our stuff is a little bit wet, so I'm going to tack on a little bit. I'm going to say $64.
$64? I'm going to say $79. So let's see what happens. We had a little bit of trash back there from yesterday. We couldn't make it to the landfill, so yep. We're heading to the dumps right now. Then the next job is for a realtor, and she's not going to be there. She's going to pay with a credit card. We're going to show up. I got the code to the lockbox. It's all in the garage. It's some easy money.
Yeah, it's great. When you start working regularly for realtors, they'll give you that type of freedom where, oh, you just show up, here's the key to the lockbox, take care of everything, and I'll pay over the phone. And I think that's really cool. It's nice to do jobs when people aren't hovering over you.
So leave a comment down below. How many realtors do you work with in your area? We work with about 50, I would say. 50 or more in our area.
It's good. 50 or more? Really? That's a lot.
Maybe more. I don't know.
That's awesome. That's great.
They call me up all the time like, hey, Matthew. I save their number with their name. Maybe it's Sarah, realtor, Elizabeth, realtor. I always put realtor after their name, so when they call up, I'm like, oh, how you doing, Sarah, the realtor lady?
That's like the tip of the day.
You think so?
Yeah, that's a great tip. Let us know. Are you doing that? Or did you just learn that maybe that's a good thing to do?
Oh yeah, I don't want to ever miss no calls from no realtors. Whenever it's a realtor coming in, I always answer it, so.
Oh, another thing that you do that they might not be doing is when a customer calls and you give them like a roundabout price over the phone, you'll save that. And so he'll put that in the save, and then when they, because sometimes they'll call around and get other prices, and often they'll call us back, and he doesn't have to what did I say I would charge them, because it comes up in the contact when they call back. It comes up the price, and he just remembers that way.
We giving you free game today, for real.
That's great. So let us know, hey, I'm not doing that and I'm going to start doing that. If you're going to start doing that because of this tip, leave it in the chat.
Leave it in the chat down below. So we're heading to the landfill right now and we getting money.
So we want to take a minute to welcome our newest members. We have Bobby Zuniga, Mr. Pazman, and JC. Welcome to the channel membership. And I won the prediction of the dump fee. So the next job of the day is another garage clean out where you could just back up and load up. And it's for a realtor.
So I'm almost positive that JoJo wants to bring this home. What the hell, JoJo?
I'm sure if you're a couple doing junk removal, you always know when the other one wants to take something home. How often do you bring things home from jobs? Let us know in chat.
So job is complete, and that was some fast and easy cash. And if you see the JoJo, she's trying to bring more stuff home. What the hell, JoJo?
No, I seen that, and I liked it because we moved, and now we have a fireplace. And when you need one of those by your fireplace, we don't have one yet. And there's one in there that just needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but it's black and it matches and it's nice. And how often do you see something you like and you bring it home? Leave a comment in chat and let us know, how often do you bring things home, or how often does your partner give you that look and you know, oh, they're bringing that home.
Now let me ask you a question, JoJo. Did you leave something in my toolbox yesterday and you never took it out?
Yes, I need to grab that today. Because another thing I do is I will often put something in the back and then it dumps and I forgot that I wanted it. Or sometimes I'll put it in the back of where the toolbox is, and I'll be like, oh, it's still in the toolbox. I need to bring it home.
So we got a damn wooden ladder, homemade wooden ladder back there, and it's in the toolbox right now. You forgot to bring it in yesterday.
Yeah, I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to sand it down. I'm going to whitewash it because, you know, it's once again, I said, ooh, in my Amazon cart was a ladder that you put by the fireplace to hang like your blankets and stuff. And it was $65 on Amazon. And then I seen a homemade ladder that I could make look the same. So I'm going to just do that. That saved you money. That's chancy, right?
You are chancy. You're the junk diva for real. Bringing stuff home all the time. So yeah. We're heading to the next one, and leave a comment down below. When does it slow down for you guys? Out here in California, it don't really slow down much. So leave it in the comments. When does it slow down for you guys? And do you have another side hustle? Maybe you do gutter cleaning, snow plowing, maybe you resell items from junk finds. What do you guys do?
Yeah, sometimes depending on where you live, it might slow down quite drastically in the wintertime.
But not out here in California. That's why I love California. Besides the gas prices and the house prices
yeah.
and the prices for everything, we have great weather out here for real.
No, we really do. We don't really have, it doesn't snow here. It gets cold, but it doesn't really slow down as far as junk removal goes. It stays pretty consistent.
So we're heading to the next one. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's get it. So leave a comment down below. How much do they charge you to dump AC units, refrigerators, where you guys are at? We made a little pit stop to lighten the load up. I had to drop off these AC units and also the lawnmower to make some room just to make sure we can get the job done. So leave a comment down below and let me know what they're charging you out there. $20 in California. Crazy. And it is a muddy mess over here too. Holy shit.
So we are at our next job of the day. This person is a repeat customer, and she says she has a hutch inside up the stairs.
So one of my favorite tools, the 3-pound sledgehammer from DeWalt, baby. Make life easy, right? If something's too big to get down the stairs, or it's just you and your loved one, make life easy. Break it down with a sledgehammer.
Yeah.
Make life way easier, huh?
Way easier to manage those pieces. So if you're working solo and you come across something that's way too big and heavy for just you to handle, break it down and take it out in manageable pieces. Tip of the day.
Now, just like that, job is complete for that repeat customer, JoJo. And let me ask you a question. What's your prediction of the dump fee?
Oh, I'm going to say 44.
44. I'm going to say $61. And how many of you out there are doing trash removal solo bolo? Leave it down below.
And also, how many of you are doing it as a couple?
Yeah, let us know. So we're heading to the landfill right now. You want to change your prediction at all, or are you good?
No, I'm good at 44.
She had to put a lipstick on before we did the prediction.
My lips get dry. I do it more to keep my lips moist than to be beautiful.
Oh, I thought you were trying to flirt with the people at the landfill to get it for a cheaper price, JoJo.
Does that work?
Maybe, we'll find out. So we're heading to the landfill. So just tell me who won, JoJo.
You won.
Big Daddy Deep Pockets won, baby.
It was much higher than I thought it would be.
What was it?
It was 90. It was $87.
$87. Now, just like that, we're back in the same spot we started 4.5 hours later. And JoJo, how much money did we make?
Bom, chicka, wow, wow.
We made over $1,000 in some change. That ain't that bad, JoJo.
I know. I always dance now because making money makes me happy.
Does it? Eating food, catching fish, and hanging out with a JoJo and making money makes me happy.
Yeah. I don't know. Leave it in chat. What makes you happy? Like, what makes you have a really, really good day? Also, how long have you been watching this channel? I'm curious. Have you been watching us since we started? Are you a new subscriber? Just let us know. How long have you been watching us? And what have we helped you with? Have we helped you do anything? Have our tips helped you figure this junk removal out?
Yeah, how much money are you guys making per month nowadays? Were you making minimum wage before and now you're hauling and balling? Are you taking vacations? Maybe before you couldn't take vacations? Were you eating top ramen before and now you're eating lobster and steak? Leave it in the comments down below.
Yeah, and also let us know what did you used to do before junk removal, and how long have you been doing junk removal?
I used to be a D-boy back in the day, and then I went to jail, and then I fried chicken and made sandwiches, and now I'm hauling and balling, owning my own business, being a businessman.
Yeah, well, my story is different from yours because I never did anything like that. But I've always worked with kids, and I've taught in school for lots and lots of years, and this was actually my first summer to not go back into the school system and to do this with Matthew full time. So let us know, are you doing junk removal full time, or is this still a side hustle for you?
And remember one thing, we love all you guys. Make sure you smash that like button. It helps us out a lot. And we're also going to show you some stuff that we sold recently too. So the JoJo's going to do some little poses and show you what we sold recently from junk.
Yeah.
finds.
That's good, because then it will give you time to answer all those questions we just threw at you.
There's a whole lot of questions there, huh? Holy crap.
Yeah, so we'll give you time to answer that and we can write you back. But we're going to show you some things in the meantime. Sold for $3.50. We dropped the price because we needed the room to put more stuff in here. Sold for $2.50. It's real leather. It's a real still. Sold within 2 days for $350. Sold for $40. Today we sold some things, but we forgot to record. We sold a table and chairs for $75 and a 6-foot loading ramp for $50.
Does your calendar look like this?
Are you map questing while you're driving?
Do you want to let your customer know you're on your way with one click?
Do you want to know where your jobs are coming from?
Do you want to make it easy for a customer to leave a review?
Do you want your customers to be able to book online?
Do you want to make it easy to send customers receipts and invoices?
Then give Workies a try.
It's a game changer for sure.
So click on the link.
And get a free trial today.
Workies makes work easy.